Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're exploring a crucial topic for anyone who drives a vehicle with an internal combustion engine: spark plugs. These small but mighty components play a vital role in igniting the air-fuel mixture, ensuring your engine runs efficiently and smoothly. As technology has advanced, so too have spark plugs. They now come in various types, each engineered to meet specific operational needs. Understanding these classifications is key for vehicle owners looking to make informed decisions about maintenance and upgrades. In this video, we'll explore how spark plugs are categorized by material, design and function, application, and electrode configuration. Each type offers unique features and benefits, helping you find the perfect spark plug for your vehicle's performance requirements and driving conditions. So, if you're ready to unlock the secrets of spark plugs and enhance your engine's performance, stick around until the end of the video. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video to help fellow drivers make smarter choices for their vehicles. Let's get started. Spark plugs vary significantly based on the materials used in their construction, each offering distinct advantages. Copper spark plugs feature a copper core, providing excellent conductivity and making them an economical choice. However, they tend to have a shorter lifespan compared to other types. Platinum spark plugs, on the other hand, utilize platinum on the electrode, delivering better durability and performance than their copper counterparts. For those seeking longevity and efficiency, Iridium spark plugs are an excellent option, as they incorporate iridium at the center electrode. A spark plug generates a spark by first receiving a high voltage from the ignition system, which can range from 12,000 to 45,000 volts. This voltage travels through the ignition wire to the plug, reaching the electrodes positioned at a small gap. When the voltage is sufficiently high, it ionizes the air in the gap, creating a conductive path. A spark then jumps across this gap, igniting the air-fuel mixture in the engine's combustion chamber. This ignition triggers the combustion process, which drives the engine's pistons and powers the vehicle, highlighting the importance of selecting the right spark plug for optimal engine performance. Copper spark plugs. Copper spark plugs are among the oldest and most traditional types used in internal combustion engines. They feature a copper core, which provides excellent thermal conductivity, allowing for efficient heat dissipation. This design helps maintain optimal engine temperatures, which is crucial for performance. However, copper spark plugs tend to have a shorter lifespan, typically lasting between 20,000 to 30,000 miles. Their affordability makes them an attractive option for budget-conscious consumers, but they are less suitable for high-performance applications or modern engines that require more advanced ignition systems. Additionally, because they wear out faster than other types, they may require more frequent replacements, leading to higher long-term maintenance costs. Platinum spark plugs. These spark plugs are a significant upgrade from their copper counterparts, featuring a platinum disc on the electrode. This material is highly resistant to wear and corrosion, allowing platinum plugs to last longer, typically between 60,000 to 100,000 miles. They provide a stable and consistent spark, which can lead to improved fuel efficiency and engine performance. Platinum spark plugs are particularly beneficial for vehicles with higher compression engines or those that operate under more demanding conditions. However, their higher price point compared to copper spark plugs may deter some consumers. Despite this, their longevity and efficiency often justify the investment, making them a popular choice for many drivers. Iridium spark plugs. These spark plugs represent the pinnacle of spark plug technology, featuring a fine iridium tip that enhances durability and performance. Known for their exceptional lifespan, iridium plugs can last up to 100,000 miles or more, making them one of the most reliable options available. The iridium material allows for a smaller electrode, which provides a more focused and efficient spark. This results in better ignition and combustion, leading to improved fuel economy, reduced emissions, and enhanced engine performance. While the initial cost of Iridium spark plugs is higher than that of both copper and platinum options, their longevity and performance benefits often make them the best choice for modern vehicles, particularly those requiring high efficiency. Symptoms of a bad or failing spark plugs. Below are some of the common signs and symptoms of bad or failing spark plugs. Number 1. Rough idling. A rattling engine is a sign that the spark plug isn't igniting fuel properly. Start your vehicle's engine and let it run. Listen to the engine to see if you hear any rattles, metallic pings, or sputtering rather than a smooth, even sound. An old or fouled spark plug won't burn fuel completely, so your engine will start vibrating or making unpleasant noises. Sometimes, the ignition coil that your spark plug sits can cause rough idling. Test your ignition coil with a multimeter and compare the readings to your vehicle's requirements in the manual. If the readings are off, then replace the ignition coil. Number 2. Engine misfiring. Your engine may act sluggish or surge if the spark plug is faulty. As a spark plug gets older or wears out, it may not produce a spark at all. Since your engine isn't burning fuel properly, your engine may go through cycles where it isn't as responsive or it runs harder than it normally would. Look for signs that your engine is misfiring, like if it's vibrating suddenly, making pings or sputtering noises, or stalling. Number 3. Lack of acceleration. It takes longer to speed up if your spark plug isn't working properly. Even if you firmly press on the gas pedal, your vehicle may hesitate if you have a fouled spark plug. Since the old spark plug isn't burning the fuel properly, your engine won't be able to keep up and accelerate smoothly. Number 4. Reduced gas mileage. Your vehicle won't use fuel as efficiently with a bad spark plug. When your spark plug doesn't burn fuel, it doesn't provide as much power to your engine, which will make your vehicle use more gas. If you notice that your fuel efficiency drops by 3 miles per gallon, 0.78 L/km, or more, then there's a good chance that your spark plugs are misfiring. If your car doesn't display it, you can calculate your vehicle's fuel consumption by dividing the distance you've driven on one tank of gas by the size of your gas tank. Number 5. Check engine light. The light will come on if your spark plug causes misfires. Your check engine light can come on for a variety of issues, so it may not necessarily mean the spark plug is the issue. Check the engine code by plugging an OBD code reader into the link connector port near the left side of your steering column to determine if the spark plug is your issue. Common engine codes for misfires and spark plugs are P0-300 through P0-308. Some check engine lights won't come on until your engine has a certain number of misfires. Number 6. Black exhaust smoke. Workout spark plugs can also be the catalyst for thick, black exhaust smoke and higher carbon emissions. When you notice this bad spark plug symptom, it may be time to visit a mechanic or your local auto service center, as it's more than likely your problem is multi-layered. Your catalytic converter could be involved, for instance. Number 7. Engine won't start. When a car engine won't turn over, there are a few potential culprits, including a bad ignition, broken alternator, dead battery, and defective spark plugs. If a battery check shows that it's got enough juice, and there is no corrosion on the terminals or battery cables, the next, most affordable solution is to check your spark plugs. Alternators and ignitions are difficult to DIY diagnose. Number 8. Engine knocking. If you don't address your broken spark plug symptoms in time, you may start hearing engine knocking, which is a very serious issue that will 100% lead to severe engine failure and mechanical damage of important components like piston heads, compression rings, valves, and the engine's cylinders themselves. Number 9. Reduced power. A worn-out spark plug can cause a reduction in engine power, as the combustion process is not producing enough energy to power the vehicle. Number 10. Increased emissions. A worn-out spark plug can cause an increase in emissions, as the fuel and air mixture is not being burned completely. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button.